Good morning, everyone. In this particular course, we'll be using two kinds of product rule for vectors. One is the dot product and the other is cross product. This particular session is going to talk in details about the dot product. So, dot product is also known as scalar product. So, it is also known as scalar product and also known as inner product. So generally, if we are given two vectors, let's say A and B, so vector A is A1 I cap plus A2 J cap plus A3 K cap, and we're given another vector B, B1 I cap plus B2 J cap plus B3 K cap, and we do the dot product of it, dot product of both the vectors. What we have to do here is we just multiply those here. So the coefficients of the I terms plus the coefficients of the j terms plus the coefficients of the k terms. So it will be a1 times b1 plus a2 times b2 plus a3 times b3. So that's a general dot product rule here that we'll use, but also here we'll be using another formula to find out the angle between the vector A and B. So for that we have to use the formula, the dot product of vector A times vector B is equal to the magnitude of A times the magnitude of B cosine alpha. So in this place here, alpha is the angle between vector A and B. So we'll be using this formula too in this course, and of course the dot product formula. Going ahead to solve one example. Let's say we have the question here, find the dot product of vector A times vector B and the angle between vector A and vector B. So we're given the vector A as 3 I cap minus j cap plus 2 k cap, and vector B is I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So now here if we want to find out the dot product of A and B, we know we will be multiplying the coefficients of the I term. So here it will be 1 and 1 and 1. So 3 times 1, maybe at first let me write them down. So we have 3 I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap, dot product with 1 I cap plus 1 j cap plus 1 k cap. So now we can see it easily. We have to multiply 3 times 1. So we have 3 here, plus we have minus 1 times 1, which is minus 1, plus we have 2 times 1, that's 2. And that gives us the answer 4. So that's the answer for our dot product. However, they have also asked us to find out the angle between vector A and vector B. So we know that we have another formula that we just got. So vector A times vector B is equal to the magnitude of A times the magnitude of B cosine alpha. So we just got the result of the dot product of AB as 4. We'll write that down here. Magnitude of A, we have to find it out. So that would be 3 squared plus minus 1 squared plus 2 squared. And then we will multiply that with the magnitude of B, which is 1 squared plus 1 squared plus 1 squared. And then we will multiply it to the cosine alpha here. So we can say this is 4 equal to root, so that's 3 squared is 9 plus 1, 10 plus 4, 14. So we have root 14 here times root 3 times cosine alpha. So we keep the cosine alpha here. We will take root 14 times root 3 to the other side, and that would divide the 4. So 4 divided by root 14 times root 3. And then we can take the cosine to the other side. So that would be cos inverse of 4 over root 42. And that will give us the angle alpha as 51.88 degree.